Hello and welcome to our new reading session. This is the sixth part of the view from Saturday. The school's vision is learn today, lead tomorrow. And the school's mission is creating well-prepared individuals cognitively and behaviorally while focusing on developing psychomotor skills. Not right. It's destroyed. He will not write a story. He's going to write about his vacation, okay? So let's look at the next question. Here, number 10. Which of the following is foreshadowing? We said that foreshadowing means that something bad or an incident that happens at the beginning and it's a warning or an indication for something bad that is going to happen later. So what was that? It's the red wagon came in handy at the beginning until Alan came along and he made all the mess that he created. What happened? He tossed he tumbled over, or he slipped in the water and tripled over the handle of the wagon and caused the damaged the cake and twisted his ankle, so he couldn't go to the wedding. So many things happened because of this very small incident. So what can you infer about Noah's character based on his conversation or exchange with his mother? You can say that from the way Noah speaks to his mother, he seems to be a smart, aggressive, pushy, and funny character. He doesn't want to write the letter and backs up his case, but lots of facts told in a humorous way. So actually, the way he writes is very funny and humorous, and his using or his usage of fact was so attractive in his writing, and he makes up his case and he defends his opinions, but of course at the end he listens to his mom. Which details provide clues that some parts of the story are a flashback? Of course, we can look back and say one of the paragraphs. Okay, let me do this. One of the paragraphs begins with the words, "It all started when." This is one of them. Means that I'm going to tell something that happened before. This showed that Noah was talking about events that had already happened, not happening right now, before he sat down to write his letter. Why does Noah have to write the invitations on Tillies' coffee table? Because she didn't have a desk in her home, I think. Okay, Noah said that many homes in Century Village, of course we said that we're going to capitalize Century and also Village because it's a place, proper noun. In Century Village, you do not have family rooms with desks. He's talking about Tilly's home, so there is no desk for him to use. Why does Noah decide to fill the wagon with ice? Why does he decide to fill the wagon with ice? Because it was very cold, very hot, and they were going to deliver the cake on the wagon because the cake was very tall and it will not never fit inside the car trunk. So they're going to move it or to the clubhouse with the wagon, and since the temperature was over 35 degrees, they wanted something to cool it down or else it will melt. Okay, so Noah said that it is hot outside and he's worried that the cake will melt before they get it to the clubhouse. The ice will keep the cake cool and stop it from melting. Okay, so true or false? Now, Noah is the main character of the story. Of course, true. Okay, I'm writing the answers and with the questions at the same time. Very well. Okay, cool. The story is historical fiction. False, of course, it's humorous fiction. Historical non-fiction. Number 3, Noah took the wedding cake in his red wagon, and this is pretty much true. And Grandma Sadie baked the layers, and yes, of course, she put sticks to bake the layers were with carton also. Okay. In one of the pages, now we have reached this cause and effect. And in the coming slides, you will find one cause and then one effect in the other slide. So let's look here at the first cause. The temperature at the wedding day was high, and they were afraid the cake would melt. So what is the effect? The effect is that they put ice in the wagon, right? So let's look at the effect. Noah and his grandfather decided to add ice below the cake in the backyard. No one was near to hear the bell ringing. Yes, this is one. Also, when Alan came along, they were all in the backyard and nobody heard the bell, the door, the door ringing. Another cause, Alan walked around the back to the patio. He didn't see the wagon handle. Oh yes. Oh, what did this cause? He didn't see the wagon handle. He tripped over it. He tripped over it, and he caused all the mess. And the effect is he trapped on it, slid on the wet concrete, fell in the puddle of melted ice. Actually, this is puddle, not paddle. Okay. And toppled the wedding cake, smashed the top layer, and broke his ankle. All this happened because he didn't see the handle of the wagon. Thank you so much, and see you in the virtual classes.